This is a project control log, and this is the action tabs. You can have many tabs on the project, as many as you want, with relevant information. Let's go back to the Actions tab. So the Action tab consists of a description of the action, shown here, a status column, whether the action is open or closed. Even if you close it, you'll never lose that action, so you can always go back. A sub area of the main project, useful for splitting actions across the project. An owner who has been allocated to remediate the action, and a priority column. In this example, it's showing action priorities 1 to 9, and also some actions which haven't been given a priority label. And you've got a comments column. This needs to be the most relevant comment for the action. We don't want history, that's just bad practice. So as an example, I've just knocked this up to show you what I mean. We don't want this, so this has to go. You shouldn't do this. So it just has to be the most relevant comment for the action. Now, the last column is a link. So from the action, you can link to Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel, MS Project, if that's what you want to do. You can also hide columns. So if you're not interested in the status because you maybe want to email it out, then you can hide status area, priority, and link, just leaving you description, owner, and comments. I've used this format for many years, so I know it works well on many different types of projects. Now let's look at some of the other tabs that have been used. Key project information. So this is the key information regarding the project. Very useful again if you want to email out details to somebody or provide details over instant messaging. This is the resources on the project. So there were 17 resources on the project. This was their role on the project, and this was their percentage allocation, 100% or 50%, 25%. Their physical location in the world, and any relevant comments. I was on holiday, I'm on holiday during that period, or I was on holiday, that person's off sick, due back on the 8th, this person will be onboarded on the 15th. I've also embedded an Excel schedule in here, very useful. You could have spun this off as a separate microplan, showing ID, the tasks, the owner, again status open closed, any dependency between tasks, and any relevant comments. The festive break tab is that we needed cover over the festive period, so this is the names of the resources, their landline, cell, email, what team, what technical team they've come from, platform team, the days that they're on cover for, and any relevant comments. And the last tab I wanted to talk about was the training environment. So this had to be provisioned as part of the main project. So these were the servers that needed to be provisioned. Some other detail here. They've got the server names here and their IP addresses there. That concludes that demo.